Hey there, folks. Today I'm diving into something that's seriously shaking up the manufacturing world, additive manufacturing. You might have heard it called 3D printing, but trust me, it's so much more than that. So let's break it down. Additive manufacturing, or AM, is revolutionizing the way we think about production. Unlike traditional subtractive methods where you cut away material to create parts, AM builds things up layer by layer. Think of it like making a cake, but with metal or plastic instead of frosting. Pretty cool, right? Now, why is this a game changer? First off, it offers unmatched design flexibility. Complex geometries that were once impossible or insanely expensive to produce are now just a few clicks away. Imagine being able to create intricate, customized components without the need for specialized tools or molds. That's a dream come true for designers and engineers, but it doesn't stop there. AM is also incredibly efficient. Traditional methods often leave a ton of waste, but with additive, you're using only what you need. Less waste means lower costs and a smaller environmental footprint. Win-win. Speaking of costs, here's another kicker: shorter lead times. Instead of waiting weeks or months for parts to arrive, you can have them ready in days. This agility is especially crucial in industries where rapid prototyping and quick turnarounds are essential. Think aerospace, automotive, and even medical fields. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds almost too good to be true. And yes, while AM isn't a silver bullet for every manufacturing challenge, its benefits are undeniable. Companies around the world are already leveraging this technology to stay ahead of the curve. And the best part, it's still evolving. So, if you're in the manufacturing game and haven't explored additive manufacturing yet, now's the time. Embrace the future, stay competitive, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And remember, designing for AM requires a different mindset. Engineers need to think about how to optimize their designs for this technology to fully leverage its potential. Revolutionize in automotive industry with additive manufacturing method. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the latest manufacturing trends. See you next time.